Alright, so the software I'm going to be using today is iMovie, and we're going to pull that up. We're going to start a new project. Right here. And so as you can see, it kind of splits things up into 3 different blocks. You have the information that's already stored, the media, on the top left. And then on the right, you'll have kind of a glimpse of what your product will be. And at the bottom, you have the area to drag and drop your videos and pictures that you want to add to it. So in my field of study, I want to go into education, and I feel that I will use iMovie to kind of create different projects or scenarios that students can use this software, or I could use this software to create a presentation or a project that is meaningful and kind of flows better than just a regular PowerPoint. To start, you just take images that you already have. So I have a couple of videos here of my cat. We're going to take this one and just drag it and drop it right down here. And if you press this play button, it'll play exactly what you dropped. And so if we pause it, and then we take this one right here and add it at the end, and press play, it just keeps going. And then we can start all the way back here and see how this product continues. Up at the top, you do have different audio choices. Apple does load a lot of choices already on here, and then you can set titles. So we'll set a title here. We'll set the title as GEA2 Digital Storytelling. And then we're going to add some audio, broadcast news. I really like this one. It's one of my favorites. So we're just going to add that in the front. And we're actually going to move it over a little bit so you get the silent title, and then it'll be breaking news, there's a cat eating. I really like this software. I find it really easy to use, and I find it really user-friendly, and you just drag and drop your images, your videos. It adds transitions to it, so we can watch our product from the start. And GEA2 Digital Storytelling. It's a really easy product to use. I find it really simple, something that I can implement into a class with minimal effort. The only thing I would add is just a little bit more options with media. Have a separate media folder for videos and then one for your photos. I found it kind of tricky to load a video into my first video and have it actually play. It was just staying at the thumbnail picture. But with a couple of minutes of looking around and the help section of this software, I found it really quick, easy, and simple to use, and made a really cute video of my cat. And that's all.